Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Java program to find the duplicate word occurrences and count using the Java 8 streams. Okay, before going to that, right, I'm going to write the program for duplicate words in a string without using map or collection. Okay, and also with using the map, how you can write. Now I'm taking the first one without using any map or collection. So now I have taken the one string hello Java program Java hello. Okay. So here, right, two words are having duplicates, Java and hello. Okay. So now I have declared the string dot to lowercase dot split I'm using. So because one of the space is there, right? So I will trim that space also. So trim dot split. Okay. So I have taken the one counter variable and taken the one string duplicates. Now I'm looping the array string array, because why we need to do the string array is by using the string we cannot able to traverse the complete string. Okay. So to traverse the string and find the words, right, we need to split the data based on the space. Here the space is the delimiter which you can use for splitting the data, otherwise you can use. So I have taken the for loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than string array dot length. Okay, so whatever the length is there, right, so string array, how many objects are there? I hope 1 2 3 4 5 objects will be there. That means 5 indexes is there, so it is going to be loop each and every loop, every value. Now we need to find duplicate, right? So to find the duplicate, it need to be compare the first one and second one. So to do that, right, int j equals to I plus 1. Why I have taken the j equals to I plus 1, right? So first I is going to take this one and j is going to be need to compare with second word, then only we can find the duplicates, right? That is the reason here instead of 0, right, j plus I plus 1. That means initially it is going to be 0, second time it is going to be 1. Okay. Now I less than string array dot length. Now what we need to do, we need to compare the two variable, right? For that we are having the conditional statement, that is if statement. That means string array of I that equals, since it is a string, right, we can use the equals method, that equals string array of j. That means I and j is going to be compare. So now what we need to do, we need to, if both are equal, right, then we need to do the counter plus plus. Okay, initial count is 1. Actually we have to initialize the variable. Initially it is going to be 1. Suppose, right, why 1 is required, the a string array of 1 hello is going to be first, right? So at that time one variable is there, like that we need to find. If more than one variable is there, then we are going to increase the counter by using the count plus plus. Okay. Okay, as of now we find the count only, but we are not holding any data, that means index of data. So for that, right, you should use the another condition, if duplicates, we have declared the variable, right, string duplicates. If duplicates is empty, then we need to add the data. For this, the data is going to be duplicate plus equals to string array of whatever the string is there, right? So we can take the string array of I. So which value is coming here? Okay, after that, right, we should display the count. Okay. Now we need to write the one more else if condition. Suppose, right, if more than one data is there, it is not going to be hold forever, since, right, when it is empty, we are going to add into the duplicate. Suppose if it is not empty, for other records we need to add, right? For that we are going to write one more condition, like duplicates dot match dot matches. Here we are going to use the one regular expression. Okay, this regular expression will find more than one records in the given string. String array, I mean, we need to add the data, right? I mean, given condition is already matches or not, so for that we have to use the index of string array. After that we have to use same condition again. I mean, this is the regular expression. Okay, so I will explain what it exactly does, this regular expression. This regular expression rejects, we are calling into the rejects. This regular expression will matches the data, matches any of the data is nothing. Here data is nothing but word. Okay, suppose if you are using the character, right, that is in the case character, any of the word or character presents in the given string or not. Okay, that's what it is going to be do. Okay, later what we need to do, again we need to count the data, since same condition we have to use. See, we have to use the negation, right? If nothing is matches of the duplicate data, then it is going to be increase the count. I mean, if the data is matches, then it is going to increase the count. Okay, let me execute this program, you can understand. We need to print this data, right? Why array index out of bound exception? My bad. Actually, the reason for the index out of bound exception occur, right? The main reason is, instead of here using the j, right, I have used the I. That is the reason it is given the index out of bound exception. Now let me execute this program. See, now we can see, right, 2 times Java, 2 times program, sorry, 2 times hello, 2 times Java, and 1 time program as per the given input. Now we will see the how we can use with HashMap. See, till now the program is going to be common for both. See, here we are having the string and string array we are having. Till now both are using, I mean, I'm using the same string array only. So now I'm going to declare the one HashMap. HashMap string is the key and count is the value. Map string integer map equals to new HashMap we can make it empty, because, right, from Java 8 onwards, sorry, Java 7 onwards, uh, second statement, I mean second block of parameter is going to be optional. Okay, now we are going to iterate that whatever the string array is there, right, that array for string s colon, for I'm using the for each loop here, string array. Okay, So to add this data into the map, we need to iterate the whatever the data we are having, since it is a string array, right? So I'm iterating the string array here. Okay, if here we are having the, in the map we are having the predefined methods like contains is the there. Okay, contains is nothing but if value presents it returns the true, otherwise it is going to return the false. Okay, map contains yes. Okay, and map dot get of s plus 1. That means initially it is not going to be come here, but in else block we are going to write else map dot put s comma 1. Why it is required, right? Initially if data is already there, then only this condition is going to be execute, otherwise, right, it is not going to be execute. Here why we are giving the yes, right? Map.get is going to be return the number actually. Okay, if particular map is there, how many times or not. Okay, likewise now we will we are adding, suppose the data is duplicate, right? It is going to be here, and it is going to be increase, but before it is going to be condition, right? Else block is going to be execute at a very first time. Okay, now we need to print this data. How we can print? There is a many ways. Okay, map entry map. Okay, entry map dot get key. Okay, and also set map dot key set. Different ways we can print it. Now I'm using the set string keys equals to map dot key set. So I'm getting the key set. By using the key set, right, we are going to display the key and value both. From the set it is going to be there. So I need to iterate these keys. So keys is the string, right? So for string s1 colon keys. So now this out we can write s1 we have declared, right? So s1 and s1 dot map dot get object here key. That means s1 string, whatever the string is there, right? That is the one. That means how many times keys is particular key is count is there in the map, that is going to be displayed. Now let me print. I will comment the first one since we already executed. So this is the how we can write the simple code. See, if you see right here, number of lines of code is more in the without using any collection. With using the collection, number of lines of code is very less. Now we will see how to write the how to find the duplicate or repeated characters in Java 8. Okay, we need to convert that array to list. Okay, so I have converted this string array is there, right? That string array into the list, because we need to use the streams, right? So we can directly use there. Okay, but instead of that I have created again, okay, map string and integer or long we can use, like we can say like result equals to whatever the declare this list is there, right? List dot stream dot map. So map of, we need to collect this data, right? Whatever the data is there, right? str of str, I mean string, we need to collect the each and every data, right? String dot collect of collectors dot grouping by is there, right? I have explained in my video. Collectors dot grouping by here, comma, we need to get the count. Now we get the only data actually. So now we will see the count. Again we can use the inside that collectors dot counting. Collectors dot counting is the one more method is there, right? So by using that, collectors dot counting is the method. So that's it. Now we are having the all the count of each words. See how simple it is. So lambda expression parameter, declare the, okay, we already declared the local variable over there, right? So we can use the str1. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to print our result. Okay, so we are having the another method, concept like for each is there, right? Result dot for each, we need to display the data, right? So result of k comma v. See, this is the lambda expression with parameterized, okay, of sysout of key and value. So in this way, right, it is, the program is very simple actually. So here we should not give the semicolon because we need to close the for each, right? So this is how we can write it. See, I have commented all the sysouts. This is the only sysout we are having. Let me execute this program. See, now hello is having the 2 times, Java is having the 2 times, program is having the 1 time. I hope you have been enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for future videos. Take care. Bye bye.